Welcome, Sagittarius, to Petrella's Intuitive Insights. This is a brief overview of 2022. It's hard to believe that we're here in 2022 already. As I was getting into the Sagittarian energy, I really feel that during the 2022, it seems as if during 2021, the Sagittarius may have already been making plans, bringing plans together. Maybe some of you put a down payment on a property, or you're saving for some kind of, whatever it is. It could be opening your own business. I see a devotion. Sagittarius, I see that the seeds were planted in 2021. If not, if the seeds are going to be planted in early 2022. I see the devotion of the Sagittarius. I see those seeds growing. So this could be a business. This could be some kind of lifetime dream, vacation. Fill the blank in. I feel that you're going to be devoted to this plan that the Sagittarians have been starting. And I feel like you're making your own magic. You're planting your own crop during this particular time, Sagittarius. I feel some of you, you're going to make a decision when it comes to career and finance and in life generally. What do you enjoy most? What or who did you like about this particular group? Or this particular, it could be a project of some sort. The Sagittarians, you're going to be saying, wait, let me make a list here. What do I really want? What I don't want? I mean, who could be really trusted in this matter? Really, what? In short, Sagittarius, make financial decisions that empower you in a good way. Listen to your inner voice. Some of you do not know how to hear your inner voice, and you're very psychic. And in fact, I could see and hear many of you Sagittarius, and please leave good comments in the link below. You could be saying to yourself, oh my God, I knew that was going to happen. I should have done that. I knew this person was going to call. I could see you doing that over and over and over again because it's just a part of the Sagittarian makeup. Now, these two cards flipped out. So marriage in 2022, somebody's taking an interest in you. You could be the female Sagittarius. This could be somebody, or it could be your partner. Some of you are saying, Petrella, nobody's come in yet. Well, look at it this way, Sagittarius. The energy of planting those seeds to bring that person in, it's out there. For those Sagittarians that are in a committed relationship, it's going to go a step higher in 2022. And remember, with your career and finance, make decisions that empower you. Use your inner voice, Sagittarius. Your heart and your mind align with the divine. Keep it in prayer, then pay attention to synchronicities. Pay attention to synchronicities. Did you just mention something and all of a sudden you see a commercial, or maybe somebody says to you something that it goes along right with it? That's a key to your success, is your intuition, and pay attention to your dreaming. Let's pull a couple cards now. Sagittarius. Whew! What do the Sagittarians need to know as they're listening for this video with love, romance, relationship, overall for 2022? Love, romance, and relationship. Okay, now this is in love, romance, relationship, Sagittarius. Isn't this, look, all of these cards fell out. This is love, romance, and relationship. And oddly enough, here is this playing nicely, but there's some shocking news. Now, this shocking news is going to cause some kind of family quarreling. And it's going to bring something to a close. And it does have to deal with finance. So look, this is one of those occasions, Sagittarius, where your relationships, so with people of finance, this is clearly finance, something financial, a financial event. If you're starting your own business, Sagittarius, watch who you're relating with. Watch who you're partnering with. Be careful. And look, you might get some bad news, and it may be some family quarreling that's going to, it may end a relationship the way it was. But I do feel that it's definitely, because here's, there's only like 2 or 3 finance money cards, maybe 4 in the deck. Well, here's 2 right here. So, the 2022 for the Sagittarians, this isn't so much love, romance, and relationship during this particular time. It seems as if finance is heavily influenced in the relationship sector. So that's telling me that you're going to be building relationships when it comes to money, finance, investments, and you need to be careful because remember, you're going to be committed to, and here's the commitment ring. And look, if this is about decisions in finance, we're going to roll into finance. But when it comes to love, romance, and relationship, I'm not done yet. Ooh, love, romance, relationship, Sagittarius, the overall for 2022. Beautiful. This is, God bless you. God bless you, Sagittarius. Look at this. Whew. Now, we can't just, go with, oh, Petrella, I'm going to have issues with money and finance and people, and maybe people betraying you and taking advantage of your goodness. Fear not here. Because when it comes to your romantic relationships, you got it going on, Sagittarius. It's solid. It's solid, and that's what's bringing you joy, courage. See? And all of that's going to be okay. I feel like many of you, doesn't matter what religion you are, I feel like you're keeping the faith and moving through, doing what makes you happy in a good way, with limits, of course, Sagittarius. Career, finance, Sagittarius. I'm going to go ahead and throw these cards in different parts of the deck. Career, finance, Sagittarius, overall for 2022. Sagittarius. Now look, see, here you go again. Friends is the first card. This is friends, family, finance. Is your friends and family are involved in your finance for many of you. Well, look, it's going to open up for you, but I feel like there could be that disturbance. But there's definitely... Oh, and you're paying attention to your health in 2022. Career, finance. You're really paying attention to your financial well-being in 2022. Some of you are like, Petrella, I already am. All right, I get that. Wow. Okay, here again. Pay attention to your health, your physical health. Look, if you feel that you need to go see a professional, by all means, please do. Please do, because it's going to affect you all the way around. Now, this is finance. Look, I feel like you're really going to prosper. You're listening to your inner voice more than ever. This is going to end the reading for 2022, and I feel that this is a good reading because God has truly blessed you. And Here is the happy family life, the healing, the love. So you have this Sagittarius. Sagittarius, if this resonated with you and you would like to further this to reading, Petrella'sIntuitiveInsights.com. It's listed in the link below, along with my future daughter-in-law's travel blog and my friends. She's an astrologer. Oh gosh, she's really goes deep into the charts. Her name is Footsteps to Peace is her business, also in the link below. With that, hey, I just want to throw this out there, and people have asked me, hey, how do I donate to your channel? And I put that in the link below, and my grandchildren helped me set up those links. So thank you so much, and God bless you.